All right, it's another edition of the B-Man B-Boy channel. Tonight, B-Boy, why don't you tell them what we're doing?
We're gonna use this
Frame jig.
frame jig to make well, right now we have 11 right here on each side. So we're basically just gonna make frames, but we're gonna make it on this frame jig.
Beauty. What does the finished product look like?
It will be looking like this.
Oh, cool. And that's a foundationless frame, huh?
Yes.
Is there anything special about that frame compared to the last ones we used to get?
I'm gonna grab one.
I'll give you. Oh, here's the other one. Oh, it's a little crowded in the shop.
This is an old one. If you see the top right here, we had to glue it down, and on this one, you just have to cut it as a triangle, so you don't have to glue them down.
Oh, so that's easier to use.
Yes.
All right.
And you can actually order it. That's what we did.
Put that anywhere.
Okay, I'm just gonna leave it right there.
All right. Hey, B-Boy, on top of the freezer behind you, on the other side, get that glue.
Okay.
And we'll show these guys how to do it. I'll open that for you.
Okay.
Are you excited, B-Boy?
Yes.
Another edition. So what's been going on in the B-Boy's world? How are the bees doing?
You tell them to be again.
I think they're doing okay. Except for all the bees in Nashville. Do you hear about the bees in Nashville?
No.
Yeah, the ones that head up top of the convention center, I think I don't know that they made it through the winter. So this is what we do, is we put a little Tite Bond, a little bit of glue,
Right there.
right in the center here. Well, we got the glue to come down here a little bit.
This is actually my first time using this frame jig. My dad makes 26 actually each. We just made his last batch is right over here. I can go back.
Hey, B-Boy, leave that over there.
It's
We don't need to show everybody. See, those are our queen castles right there, the red and blue box. This is a very messy shop.
sometimes we clean it up, but not most.
Yeah. All right, so B-Boy, why don't we do this?
Okay.
You want to just put a little glue right there and right there.
That's good.
Let me show you a little trick how I did it.
Okay.
All right, so basically a squeeze. This bottle's kind of hard to work. Just get a little there, and I get a little here. We're just going to do 11 frames at once.
Yeah,
But this jig will hold up to 26.
Should we start putting these on?
Nope, this is the bottom of the sidebar, the side frames.
God,
So this jig was holding this up.
Over.
So I guess I should show you guys. So all we did was we've got this 2x6. I don't know,
I don't know.
4 feet long, something like that, 3 feet long.
Yeah, put some glue over there.
I'll put the glue over here. And these are held up by just some bungee cord. I guess I should put a second bungee cord up, but this seems to be working.
Yeah.
And when it's working, hold on, Jack. Let me finish. I mean, B-Boy. Okay, don't listen to me.
How do we do this? Oh my God.
You're my partner. You're supposed to know how to do this. I don't
This
know
is
what
my
I'm doing.
first time using it.
This is not mine, but I'm not telling you.
Oh my. Is this the correct way? Just hitting it a little bit.
You don't even have to hit it in a minute. I'll show you, Jack.
bottom pieces are on. I'm gonna make sure these tight. We're gonna be using a staple gun. Is the tool that we use.
I'm gonna use a staple gun. You're not.
Correct. Thanks for correcting me. Okay.
I got some type on in here. So basically the bottom bars.
Okay.
See, B-boy, you do that side, I'll do this side, okay?
I only have one down. Can you do that?
Yep. You get your side, I'll get my side.
How many do you have to use my to make it easier for me? Oops.
He's got his own tool set.
Why over there is my workbench? It's kind of messy because Dad, but B-Man is technically my dad.
Technically?
Well, is.
Okay.
It might be my stepdad.
I'm not your stepdad, you stinker. Guess who goes to bed early tonight?
Fine. Dad! Wow! I'll give you back scratches.
Alright, back scratches. That makes up for it, everything. You know how to take care of your dad, huh?
Yep. Might
Just a
want
little extra back scratch and get you a mile. So, alright, so we got that one in good.
I have never done this. Oh my god.
You've never done it, huh?
Seriously?
Okay.
Seriously?
I mean, B-boy,
Seriously?
Bueller.
Don't make me tell Mom about this. Oops. 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 Yeah, this is gonna be harder for me.
Alright,
Oops. Do you want to come help me?
you got it.
Oh, come on. This is harder. But this one's harder. Added a little bit too much glue over here. Okay. I think we done all 11 bottom ones for you. You just have one more. Look at that, flip these over.
Not yet.
Staple.
I haven't stapled any of these together. So, hey, B-boy, come here. No, put that down. You don't ever touch that.
And by the way, look at my hive tool / J-hook.
Yeah, that he's proud of that. That was, where did you get that?
From your dad, but I gave you a J-hook
That's
for
right.
Christmas.
Actually, technically, Santa Claus gave me one.
But I ordered it for you.
You told him when you saw Santa Claus at church. That's right. All right, so Jack, come over here. Let me show you
Because
what
I
this
knew
is.
you wanted it badly.
Now, come here. What this is, what we're going to make sure is what we'll do. We put them all on the bottom bars. We got to make sure these are all square. You know how square, what square means, right?
What does it mean?
So it means it means flush.
What does flash mean?
So I'm going to pause the video. Take two, sort of. We're back. I'm just going to be nailing these in with some staples. That's all we do. This is the bottom. We're just going to put one staple in the bottom. Okay?
That's the 8 the compressors are just fitting in.
I'm gonna come around this way.
It's so loud in here. It's loud. Sometimes my dad overflows with glue. Look. You can see the glue. So, you done?
We're done with stapling the bottom bars.
Okay. Yay! Here. Let's go check on the iron. Okay, so we just put together all these frames, but we haven't stapled them.
Correct. We just put the top bars on, and once again, these are the Kelly foundationless frames.
And we put on the doubles.
Oh yeah, I doubled up the bungee cords to make it a
I
little
had to
tall.
go get them.
That's right, Jack. You went and grabbed them out of the room. So basically, when you're done with one side, you just flip the whole jig right over,
Yeah.
and you go from it. So right now, what I'm going to do,
He's about to staple.
I'm going to staple. So Jack, you want to videotape some of this?
Yes.
Okay.
And this is B-Man.
All right, B-Boy's back. We got a little loud with the compressor on earlier. I turned it off, and we're basically done. I had to pin little brads on this corner underneath the ears of all these frames.
Yeah.
So to take off all these frames, it's real simple. All you do is just take this
and the
bungee.
Wait,
You don't even have to take it apart, Jack. See?
Whoa.
See?
I got this we're about to have the mother load about 52 frames.
Well, this is 26 at one time. He's talking about the previous 26 that I did.
No, both of them combined.
I know.
Dun, 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 dun.
All right, B-Boy. Tell you what. You want to hold this while I take these off the frame and show people how it slips off?
Whoop.
The cool thing about this jig is it didn't cost me anything. Well, it only costs you if you don't have... If you don't have frames, or excuse me, bungee cord or some 2x6s laying around in your shop, then it'll cost you a few dollars. But this is just scrap wood that I had here at the house.
Yeah.
There's lots of scrap of stuff in this garage.
Yeah. Look at all this.
Yeah, let's check. You're funny.
Here, my buy you a Scooby B-Man.
Stop. Everybody's going to be sick. Jack, B-Boy.
What?
What?
Oh, come on.
I know you just want to have fun with this YouTube thing. But anyway, they just slide off. The key
Real
thing is
easy.
that if you want to build this yourself, leave enough distance so that it's got a little playroom so you can slide these off easily.
About maybe 1 foot.
It's a little bit larger than a foot.
Well,
There we go. And they're all off.
no.
Don't worry about that, Jay.
I got him.
So, Jack, we're going to have to edit a lot of this.
Yeah.
Anyway, say good night.
Good night, and see you on the next